When you search for the best arrow fletching jig, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, M.Jumper Adjustable Fletching Jig. The M.Jumper Adjustable Fletching Jig caught my eye right away with its bright red design and solid construction. Priced at $28.75. It's a solid pick for DIY archers looking to customize their arrows. If you want to add a personal touch to your shafts, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This jig is made from durable materials, ensuring that it can withstand the wear and tear of frequent use. With a height of 5.40 inches and a scale for easy adjustments, you can achieve the perfect fletch every time. The improved magnet adjustment makes it easy to align your vanes, whether you prefer a helical or straight setup. Plus, the preset dial stops for 3 or 4 fletch configurations help ensure consistency. This product has a solid 4.4-star rating from over 705 reviews, and more than 200 were sold last month alone, indicating that many archers trust this jig to get the job done. Now, some people complained about the jig feeling a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about fletching your arrows, the size actually provides stability during the process. So, while it may take up a bit more space in your kit, it's not really a deal breaker for most archers. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking to personalize your arrows. Skip this one if you need something ultra portable, as it might not fit easily in a small bag. For the price, you're getting a reliable tool that will help you make your arrows truly yours. Now, if that jig size concerns you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more compact option. Product number 2, Muvecall Fletching Glue. Next up is the Muvecall Fletching Glue, priced at an incredibly affordable $9.99. This glue stood out to me because it's designed specifically for archers, offering a quick-drying solution that minimizes downtime. If you want a reliable adhesive for your arrow fletching needs, this is definitely worth considering. What's really great about this glue is its ultra-fast bonding capability. It sets in just 10 to 45 seconds, meaning you can get right back to practicing without waiting around. This is especially crucial when you're in the middle of preparing for a tournament. It forms a strong vibration-resistant bond on all types of shafts: carbon, aluminum, wood, and fiberglass, ensuring that your vanes stick no matter the conditions. The precision micro tips included with the kit make application easy, so you don't have to worry about making a mess. With a 4.3-star rating from over 3,100 reviews, it's clear that many archers love this product. However, some users mentioned that the glue could be a bit tricky to clean up if you spill it. Now, I'll be real with you. While this can be an annoyance, it's nothing that a little care can't solve. Just be cautious, and you should be fine. This is perfect for you if you need a fast and effective glue for your fletching projects. Skip this one if you're looking for a glue that's mess-free, as spills can happen. For the price, it's a steal for archers of all skill levels. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a different design. Product number 3, M.Jumper Adjustable Fletching Jig. Coming in at $28.25, the M.Jumper Adjustable Fletching Jig is another solid choice. I was drawn in by its sleek black design and durable build. If you're looking for a reliable jig that can handle the job, this one is worth checking out. This jig has similar features to the previous model, but offers a bit of a different design. It's made from high-tech materials and stands at the same height of 5.40 inches, which allows for easy adjustments. The built-in scale is handy for precision fletching, and it supports both 3 and 4 fletch configurations. The improved magnet adjustment makes it easier to align your vanes, which is a game-changer when you're trying to achieve consistency. This one also boasts a 4.3-star rating from 328 reviews, proving that it's well received in the archery community. Some users reported that the adjustment dial can sometimes be a little stiff. Here's the thing though, this stiffness often means it stays locked in place better, so you're not going to accidentally lose your settings mid-use. This jig is perfect for you if you're looking for a dependable tool that offers solid performance. Skip this one if you prefer something that's super easy to adjust on the fly, as that dial might take a bit of getting used to. For the price, it's a solid investment in your archery toolkit. Now, if you're interested in something with a bit more flair, the next product might just catch your eye. Product number 4. Hoso Lee Archery Fletching Jig. The Hoso Lee Archery Fletching Jig is priced at $27.50 and features a unique green color that definitely stands out. I liked how compact it is, making it easy to store in your gear bag. If you want a fletching jig that combines style and functionality, this could be the one for you. What I really appreciate about this jig is its compact size. At 5.40 inches tall, it's easy to take on the go. It includes 2 clamps for both straight and right helical fletching, and the adjustment dial allows for precise angles with just a click. You really can get your fletching done in about 10 minutes, which is perfect for those last-minute repairs. Plus, it works with a variety of materials, whether you're using carbon fiber, fiberglass, or wood arrows. With a 4.3-star rating from 128 reviews, it's gaining traction among archers. However, some users noted that the clamps could feel a bit flimsy with heavy use. Now, here's the thing, if you're gentle with it and not overworking it, the jig should hold up just fine. This is perfect for you if you need a portable jig that's easy to use and store. Skip this one if you're planning to do heavy-duty fletching, as it might not withstand intense use. For $27.50, you're getting a stylish and functional tool. And if you like the compact style of the Hoso Lee, you'll want to stick around for the next one, which offers similar functionality. Product number 5. M.Jumper Fletching Jig. Last but not least is the M.Jumper Fletching Jig, also priced at $28.25. This one caught my attention with its striking red color and efficient design. If you're looking for a reliable jig that packs a punch, this one might be what you're after. This jig stands at 5.40 inches and features clamps that are designed for quick set functionality. This means you can easily switch between straight and helical fletching without a hassle. It's compatible with both real feathers and plastic vanes, making it versatile for various styles of arrows. The adjustable scale and easy operation make this jig user-friendly and accessible. Notably, it holds a 4.4-star rating from 216 reviews, indicating that many archers find value in it. Now, a few users mentioned that the clamps could require a bit of fiddling to get them just right. But honestly, once you get used to it, you'll appreciate how secure they hold your vanes in place. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable tool that can handle different arrow types. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's instantly intuitive, as it may take a little practice. For the price, it's a great addition to your archery kit. To wrap it up, each of these jigs has its strengths, whether it's the affordability of Muvcall's glue, the compactness of the Hoso Lee jig, or the reliability of M.Jumper's options. Depending on your specific needs, there's something on this list for every archer. So there you have it. From the M.Jumper adjustable fletching jig to the fast-acting Muvcall glue and the compact Hoso Lee option, each product brings something unique to the table. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned archer, one of these jigs is sure to meet your needs. Happy fletching!